Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can return order on Shein. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the Shein app. Let me search Shein. Open Shein app. Once you open Shein, you simply need to log in into your account and you must go through the return policy of Shein. So once you done that, you simply need to click on me in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on my orders, that is shipped, and after that you simply need to click on the order and you can add a picture and you can easily return, and here you can see your all returns here. So this is the process by which you can return your order on Shein. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.